The image provides information about South Africa's urban and rural population from 1960 to 2016. Looking closer at the details, I can see an area chart representing total population in millions and a series of pie charts showing percentage distributions at 10-year intervals. The highest total population is recorded in 2016, reaching approximately 55 million. In comparison, the population in 1960 started at approximately 18 million. Over the observed period, there is a clear increasing trend in the urban population, as shown by the growth in the darker red and orange segments. Overall, the information depicted in this image is very informative and provides a comprehensive summary of the demographic shift in South Africa.